Listen, let's solve this question 283, move zeros. So we can use two pointer, one to loop through the whole nums, and the second one is just keep track of the non-zeros place. So let's do it. We can set the non-zero as the index 0. And for I in range length nonce, if this nonce I was not equal to 0, which means we need to store it in the non-zero place. So now we check it. If this non-zero have a different index than the I, nums I need to be set as 0, and this non-zero is moving forward. And the time complexity for this approach is actually O(n), because we just have one for loop to loop through the whole nums. The space complexity is O(1) because that is the only extra space we are using. Thanks for watching.